Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. My name is Zach and I do post skincare related content twice a week on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of a sunscreen product from the brand Dr. Brandt. I did buy this product in a kit that did come from Sephora. It came in this pink package here with this gold zipper. It's actually quite nice, so I think I'll give this package to my mom. I think she could definitely use it for her skincare or her makeup when she does travel. Now, all these other products I do not personally need, so they will be in a giveaway. I'm going to be doing a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned towards the end of the video where I will discuss how you can enter into that giveaway. Okay, so this product is the Dr. Brandt Liquid Sun Shield Daily Brightening Mineral Sunscreen SPF of 50. It says shake well before use. It is one of those lightweight fluids. 1.7 fluid ounces in this product, which is okay. That's not that bad. So it comes in really nice packaging. It comes in this all white bottle. It has a rose gold cap. You take off the cap and it has a little dropper that you'll then drop either into your hands or onto your face to dispense the sunscreen. Oh, hold on you guys, this retails for $65. It's highly rated. It's rated 4.5 stars with 103 reviews, which is pretty dang good. It's fragrance free. It says it's for normal, dry, combination, and oily, so it's supposed to be for everybody. It has only zinc oxide and it says that it is invisible with a radiant looking finish on all skin tones. It says that this is great for targeting dark spots as well because you need to protect your dark spots from the sun. Some ingredient callouts that it has. It says that it contains less than 1% synthetic fragrance. I'm not even sure what that is. They said that it's vegan and reef safe, which zinc oxide is reef safe. It uses non-nano zinc oxide and it uses clary sage ferment that gives a brighter, more youthful appearance to the skin. It also has plankton extract, which is supposed to detect hyperpigmentation and even out the skin tone, which is why this is great for people with dark spots. It's also going to prevent those dark spots from getting worse or getting more dark spots with the sunscreen. Let's see, it does have a little bit of a lengthy ingredients list in it. It does have shea butter, which is moisturizing. It has glycerin, also moisturizing. It's a humectant. It also has caprylic triglycerides, which is an emollient. Let's see, it does have lavender oil, which I think is the fragrance that they're talking about. I haven't noticed any irritation with using this product though with the lavender oil, but I usually try to avoid that. Let's jump into the application clip so you can see what it's like on my skin. Here's how I would apply this product. I also forgot to mention that this does expire 12 months from opening it, but then it says on the bottom that it doesn't expire till December 2022, so which one is it? I don't know. So I'm just going to take the little dropper and drop some onto my forehead, and then I'll blend that out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so that's the forehead, and I kind of started to bring it down a little bit over my eyes. I can definitely smell the lavender oil in there. I'm not a fan of, I don't like fragrance in my products, and I don't even like the smell of lavender. But as you can see, as it goes on, there's no white cast, which is a very rare aspect coming from a mineral sunscreen. The zinc oxide in this somehow does not leave a white cast at all, at least on my skin type, or my skin tone. So that's great. It definitely looks shiny though. Doesn't get caught up in my facial hair. I shaved yesterday morning, not this morning, so I do have the stubble coming in. It's not clinging into it, which happens with pretty much every mineral sunscreen that I use. It always gets clinged up in a white cast in my beard area, and that does not do that with this product. I look really greasy. Oh my goodness. I don't remember. I used this a few times. I don't remember it looking this shiny. Alright, now we're going to finish with this side of my face. This thing is not the easiest to work with. This little like dropper thing. Alright, so there's that sunscreen blended into my skin. It definitely feels a little bit heavier on the skin, and I look so shiny. I mean, look at that. I can't even see what I look like right now, but I can just tell it's shining back. As you can see, this product looks and feels really nice on the skin. As far as that glowy look, I don't notice it to be too much, but if it was a super hot or humid day, I probably would not reach for this. I like to reach for my really lightweight Japanese sunscreens on those super gross hot, humid days. But I do like this product a lot, but do I think it's worth that $65 price tag? To be honest, no, I would not pay $65 for this product. However, I did get all of these other products included for the price. So in here, I have the Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara. So this is going to be in the giveaway. OUAI Scalp and Body Scrub. Oh, I think I've seen this actually recently. It's like a travel size, 1 fluid ounce. So it's kind of like an exfoliator, I guess. We have this Nars Oil Infused Lip Tint in the shade Orgasm. It looks like it has shimmer and sparkles in it. Nars always has really nice packaging. The rose gold on it. You have the Face and Body Scrub, the Nars Lip Tint, and the Tarte Mascara. So these 3 products, they probably retail for 40 bucks or so. So totally free for you to enter the giveaway. So how do you enter the giveaway? All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, don't worry about it. Hit that button right now and you can enter into the giveaway. Leave a comment down below. It can be anything from done to I hope I win to I've used that product before. Whatever you want, just leave some sort of a comment and then give this video a thumbs up and share it. So sharing this video, please share it to somebody that you think would want to enter the giveaway or that would be interested in this Dr. Brandt sunscreen, so that way whoever you're sending the video to is interested in my content. I'm going to leave the giveaway open for 2 weeks, so you have 2 weeks to enter into the giveaway, and then after it closes, I will release who the winners are in a future video. So give me about 3 weeks to get the winner of this up, but I'm super excited. It's my first giveaway of many, many, many on my channel. I totally appreciate you guys entering and supporting me and supporting my channel, and I always want to give back to you. Please follow all of those steps, enter into that giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. I do post on Mondays and Fridays, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.